Good afternoon. Sorry you're having problems. This is another connector block, 1314. I'll put this on YouTube just so that you can see that it's definitely working. So again, just make sure that the connector block's in place. Black wire to the back, 3 wires to the front. So let's plug it in. LED light, as you can see, to prove that it's working. Let's load the software. So again, it must be USB. I'm assuming that you've done all this. And again, the USB ports, 12C EPROMs, 24C O2. Right, let's put a chip in. And read. OK, view buffer. And again, that's a Dell. We'll leave the same chip in. Let's get rid of that. Open. Let's Xerox, anyone will do. Open. Right. View buffer. And as you can see, it's all working. And that is the chip that I'll pop in the post for you. Or the chip reader rather, the little card reader, and hopefully that will resolve the problem for you. Thanks a lot. Bye now.